Radio 6 Music.
Yes, hello, Mark Riley here for Riley & Co. on 6 Music, where live in session we find British Birds with Bricks.
Bound in crimson, eyed by umber terrorist brick. Stepping stones to the future till the ladders have been fixed.
Ligne de brick, mortier, le perspective.
Ruthless peace of mind swinging in hammocks of time. Hard to appreciate the pause, taste buds applaud the wine.
Ligne de brick, mortier, le perspective.
Devils wear the raincoats that the angels cotton knit. This is nature through a blow the people couldn't slip. Oh my gosh, I thought too much as I journeyed through Bobby's woods. Buzzards spin like ceiling fans, sweet pine branches shaking hands. Wind south oscillate to tune. If the tree falls, will you head to wild home? Hanging from the washing lines, I'm hanging from the washing line. My eyes are chasing down the lines, the bricks and all the mortar lines.
Yes, that was Ace, the first live tune from British Birds tonight. Bricks, more later. I'll play this for